Racing just is started. We have Art of Time first to show quickness at the start. Thunder Ribbon is on the outside. Good move, Grand Sensation just right. Bagong Barrio in the middle portion. Chance and the Orferlin comes next. Paradiso Walandis Ram is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Art of Time by about 2 lengths, and in second is Thunder Ribbon. Good move is done on the inside, just right. Bagong Barrio, Ferlin comes next, then followed by Grand Sensation. Chance and the Paradiso Walandis Ram is still racing in last, back to the leader. We have Art of Time this time by about 4 lengths, and in second is Thunder Ribbon. Good move comes next, then followed by Bagong Barrio, just right. Ferlin comes next, moving up on the outside. Chance and the Grand Sensation and this Ram, while Paradiso now racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Art of Time by about 4 lengths, and in second, Good Move, Thunder Ribbon, Bagong Barrio as they swing for home. Art of Time by about 3 lengths, and in second, Good Move, Bagong Barrio, Thunder Ribbon, and this run is on the outside. Last 100 meters, we have Art of Time this time by about 3 lengths over Good Move, Bagong Barrio, and finally Art of Time, Good Move. Then comes Bagong Barrio, close, Grand Sensation and this Ram, and number 7 Thunder Ribbon for your Super 6.
Thunder Ribbon pa yung pang-anim. Dikit yata tayo sa kwarto eh.